Hello and welcome. My name is David Osamuche. If you're just joining me for the very first time, I say welcome. Yes, we are back with another backtesting video. Yes, back testing. Yes, it is usually better to backtest the trading strategy so that you make sure you're using the best strategy to know if the strategy is good for you or not. So for this one, we are going to be using one of very popular strategy. All you need to go to is come to public and tradingview, public library. It's called the Madrid Moving Average. Okay, so we're going to click on the Madrid Moving Average, and this is what we're going to be using today. Okay, the rule is quite simple, really simple rules. For a sell, wait for the price to cross down on the red cloud you can see here. Remember, we have to trade with the trend, so we are going to be using our 200 moving average to determine the trend, if it's going to be uptrend or downtrend. So that's what we are going to be doing right about now. So this would have been one of the trade for a buy. So if we are taking that for a sell, sorry, because it's a red cloud, the moving average is above the price, so we would have entered here. I don't advise taking trade on long candles like this. We want a shorter candle, but if we did that, okay, and just moved our stop loss just above this eye, as you can see, this is the eye here. We would have done that, but I prefer to do the general eye for this one because the candle is quite long, so I don't want to risk too much. Okay, and we've targeted a 1 to 1.5. we should have won this trade well. Okay, so now this is just a sell signal, this is just one signal. Let's try to look for a buy. If we find one close by, let's see if we can find a buy signal that we can consider. Okay, all right, we can eventually find a buy signal we can consider. Don't worry about the other indicators on my chart, that is just to show you the zones. Okay, this is another one. This was the cross. As you can see, 200 moving average is below the price, which shows we are in an uptrend, and the candle closed above the Madrid moving average. Yes, you heard me right, the Madrid moving average. So we'll take our trade from here. So if we click on a buy, as you can see, the candle is not quite long like the other example, so hit the buy from here, just targeting the last low. Okay, not too close, you don't want to be too close to that. All right, so if we had done that and we've targeted a 1.5 win reward ratio, 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio, you see, would have won that for a 2 and would have won that for a 3 also. Okay, so that's the rule, that's how to take the trade. So now I'm going to go on and take 100 trade and give you the win reward, the profit graph, and every other important thing, like I've always done in my video at the end of this video. So please, I would advise you to watch to the very end. If you are still watching, please watch to this very end so that you know if this Madrid moving average strategy is good for you, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Please stay safe. Yes, we're back after the result, but before I give you the result, I have to tell you the rules change along the line, and I want to give you the rules. This is why I say always watch all my videos to the very end. Something might just change and I would need to pass it along. Okay, so one of the rules is that I did not use the 200 moving average anymore, and I'll tell you why. Because if you look at it, these are moving averages, and if the candles tend to go above this moving average, about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, about 10 moving average, as you can see. So if the price tends to go above that, that is an uptrend, so there was no need using this anymore. Okay, that is one. Secondly, you only take the trade when you see a fluorescent green. you notice there's a green here but not fluorescent green. This is a fluorescent green, so the fluorescent green started here. So this is where you would have taken your buy entry. Same thing happened here. There's a red here, but then it appeared a fluorescent red. Sorry about that. So this is a fluorescent red, so this is where you would have taken your trade from, not from this candle, but where the fluorescent red started to appear, the different shade of red you can see here. Okay, so that's just it. So if we go over, you'll see some more example. Ordinary green, fluorescent green. This is another one. Okay, this is another. If I get rid of this box, which this is the last trade I took, but if I get rid of the box, now can you see there's a fluorescent red? Is different from this shade of red. As you can see here, is different from this shade of red. So you take your trade on this candle and you'd have taken it down and you'd have been in profit. So now that you know the main rules I used throughout, it's time for me to give you the result, and you will be shocked what the results is. So without wasting much of your time, let me start with how many I won in a row and lost in a row. I lost just 3 in a row on this strategy, which is the Madrid Moving Average Rainbow. Yes, the Madrid Moving Average Rainbow. I lost just 3 in a row and won 5 trades in a row. Remember, I used a 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio, which gave me a total winning trade of 57 and lost 40 trade. Okay, that's not 100%, that's 97 trade altogether. If you want to do the calculation, I need to be plain and I'm giving you that straight away. And I had a win rate of 58%. That's an amazing win rate, and the strategy is super easy to use. I use it on the 1 minute, so I'm going to be testing on the 5 minutes and possibly on higher time frame. So please make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, like this video if you not liked it. Now for the profit graph, using a $10,000 account, I was able to make $4,550. That is really amazing. This indicator is amazing. I'm going to keep testing on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hours. So please, I would advise you to stay tuned so that you don't miss out on any of this video, and I'll see you on the next one. My name remains David. Please stay safe.